My weekly routine. Every week is a different story because every week I realize different tasks and activities that make each week special. It speaks the fact there are a few routines and activities that realize almost every week. So this weekend, I'll try to share with you you love about my weekly routine. My weeks generally begins at 6 o'clock on Mondays because I like to take advantage of the most part of the morning possible. My Mondays begins with a small walk around the north part of my city because there are amazing view there. A walk in the morning helps me to relax and breathe fresh or to begin my day early. After that, when I return home, I take a shower, prepare my breakfast, and watch some the news and to stay aware about what is happening around the world. Once life get dressed, I am ready to start my daily activities. Then could be help my parents with some task, do my work, study something new, or in some no franking class. You relax on Mondays. I try to sleep early because I need to be cute for the next day. So I usually fall asleep before 11 p.m. On Tuesday, used to sleep a lot more than Mondays, so I wake up 7 o'clock and I take a shower immediately. After that, I take a milkshake to have some energy for the gym because it's to the go to the gym from the 8 to 9 a.m. Once I finish my training at the gym, I return home by walking. This take me around 15 minutes. When I arrive home, I prepare for breakfast and take a shower. Tuesday are my cleaning day, so I organize my room, clean my shoes, etc. Once we finish my cleaning task, I study for an hour, do my homework, and if have some free time, I go for some ice cream to share with my parents. And then I watch some movie and prepare myself go to the sleep. On Tuesday, I usually fall asleep before a big night. On Wednesday, my parents are resting from their jobs, so they are already at home and we're some more time together. I wake, I wake up 8 o'clock and prepare breakfast with my mom. Then I take a shower and get dressed. After that, I study on an hour, 1 hour, and if I have no hour. I relax with my parents. We watch some movie, bake a cake, play some board games. They go to bed before 9 p.m. So from the 9 to 11 p.m. I used to talk with some friends or watch some sitcom TV. On some Wednesday, I usually fall asleep before 11 p.m.